Thank you. This means so much to me.
It's my honor. She's in good hands now.
Yes. Here are the keys.
Thank you. I promise to take care of her.
That's rough. Cracked belt, hoses are shot, a lot of rust here. It's seen better days. Yes, it has. Quite a history here. The chassis is heavily rusted here. Suspension looks worn, exhaust needs replacing, there's a lot of corrosion.
Yes, I'm at the coordinates now. It's the vintage SUV. Copy that. Team is on approach. All right, team, let's get to work.
All right, team, let's establish a perimeter. Check the suspension first, it looks seized. And assess the structural integrity of the frame. It's been out here a long time. Keep going, we're almost through it. Careful with that vine near the headlight. All right, cables are tight, keep it smooth. Steady as she goes, a little bit more. Stop, looks good, secure it. All right, team, let's assess the damage and lay out the plan. Right away, boss. We'll need the heavy-duty gear for this. All right, team, let's assess the damage and lay out the plan. Right away, boss. We'll need the heavy-duty gear for this. All right, team, there it is, the '57 Bel Air. Quite a find. Let's get it off the truck and see what we're dealing with.
Tighten those straps. Ramps are secure.
Careful, it's heavy.
Winch is engaged, lowering slowly.
All right, team, remember, gentle strokes only. Compressed air ready. Watch the delicate edges here. All right, see this rust here? That's what's causing the seize. Looks pretty bad. We'll need to replace the brake line too. Label the fuel line.
Got it. Now, which goes to the dizzy?
Checking the schematic now. That's wire 3. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Up and steady. Watch the chrome. Clear. Keep it steady, watch the clearance. Clear on this side? Yeah. Slow and easy. The intake manifold looks clear. Let's check the valves on the other side. Right, let's keep rotating. Good. Now the exhaust ports. All right, slowly now. Don't want to snap it. Careful with that edge. We're almost there. All right, hold it steady. Got it. Easy now. Just a couple more turns. Almost there. Careful with the wires. Slow and steady. Clear? Keep it steady. Watch the edges. Almost there. Get ready to release. Okay, that's the ignition lead labeled.
The graphic.
And the ground. Perfect. Perfect. Wiring harness extraction complete. Okay, that line's free. Got it. Slow and steady. Perfect. Take it down.
All right, this section is loose. Just need to pull it free. Be careful, don't drop it.
Keep it steady in the front. Looks good back here. Lifting now, gently. We need to reinforce this strut here and check the stability of the cross-member weld.